In the next few years, we're looking to deploy our production part manufacturing factory, where we can, at scale, manufacture high volumes of parts for our customers. But to outfit that factory, we also are going to need to deploy the next equipment manufacturing center. So we can produce not just, one machine a quarter, but, dozens to hundreds on a yearly basis. We're also going to want to be qualifying thousands of parts for customers to fill the factories, right? And enable us to go deploy more factories through project financing. It's going to be an exciting journey. It's going to be an exciting path, but the goal is we're going to be making a better world and we're going to be making our customers happy in the process.